Good morning, students of class 11. It is English grammar, which is of 10 marks. That is quite essential to be learned, otherwise it can become a problem for you. And here it is the third video for determiners. It is the first chapter, and so you must learn how are the determiners used. And previously in the first two videos I have already given you the knowledge of some kinds of determiners. Moreover, I will also tell you something more in this very video, so you will learn it stepwise. As I told you about demonstrative determiners, these are the determiners that are used for singular and plural, both kinds of nouns. If the nouns are singular, in that case we can use this or that. Means if the thing is at distance, you can use that, or things that is very near, very close to you, we can use this. As this class is mine, this book is mine, this country where we live is full of beautiful things. But that field where the crops are grown are infected with insects, that we used. So the plural of this is these, and the plural of that is those. What does it show? So who or what is being referred to. This pair of shoes is mine. I think that girl is their leader. These are the examples. When we talk of quantifiers, there are many. They are few, much, most, some, any, yes, little, many, a lot of, other, enough, sufficient, some. So they can be used as few. Few is used with only plural nouns, as few men, few children, a few, the few. That can be used in a specialized way. Little, a little, the little. Here that shows the quantity, but that is the quantifier. Much shows the quantity, while many shows the number. Most can be used in both the cases, whether we can use the quantity or the number. A lot of, it is also used in both the cases. That's why they are called quantifiers. Some, that shows the number as well as it shows the quantity. So here any, enough, etc. So here they always refer to the numbers as well as the quantity. That cannot be negated. Some students are not in their proper uniform. Some students are not in their proper uniform. It refers to the number that is not maximum. Most student teachers are still at the library. Here most student teachers means here the number of students and teachers are large. So this sentence can be used in this way. Quantifiers. Again, I would like to tell you something more. Quantifiers provide approximate or specific answers to the questions how, many, and how much. So here you can see I only take a little bit of milk with my tea. Here you say a little, it shows the quantity in positive case. As you can say quite a few people should be coming to the party. Means not many people are coming, but a few, some men are coming to the party. I did not take many holidays last year. So here many refers to the few holidays that you enjoyed. I have not brought much money with me, means the money that he has a little. Do you think a lot of people believe what he says? Here, do you think? Means I do not think. A lot of people believe what he says. The sentence has negative meaning. Most students work hard to pass their exams. Most students work hard to pass their exams. Here you understand that it is like that. Most students means it is large number of students. Have you got any proof that he committed the crime? This sentence is interrogative and any is used. So in interrogative and negative, any is used, and some enough that are used in most of the cases. And so here you can see that it takes some effort for me to do exercise. Do we have enough rice to last the week? Means till the end of the week comes, we can consume these things up to there. Actually, possessive adjectives or possessive determiners are used here. Possessive adjectives, determiners functions as adjectives rather than pronouns. As they are adjectives, they appear before the noun that they are modifying. Do you like my new dress? Here, dress is the noun, my is what adjective, but here it is used as determiner. I prefer my uniform to yours. Means my uniform is much suitable for me to wear than yours. Take your phone out of your pocket. Your phone. Whose possession? Your pocket. I really respect her controversial views on abortion. Here, her controversial views. Whose? It is for she. His old motorbike is a classic. So here you understand these things. Let them use our house for their wedding reception. Means let them use our house. The house is ours, but who will use? They will use. For what? Wedding reception. The dog has eaten its food. What has dog eaten? Its food. It has not consumed others' food. It is distributive. So distributive determiners are used to refer to a group or individual members of the group. They reveal more about how people or things are distributed, shared or divided. For example, both countries, means two countries, need to discuss the issues and find a solution. Here both is the determiner. All pet dogs need plenty of attention. Pet dogs require to pay attention. Half the people, partially half, people decided not to vote. Neither house is suitable for our needs. Means no house. There are two houses, no house. We can eat at either 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. Means there is option between the two. So it can be used. Interrogatives are used to ask questions which as a determiner is used to ask about a specific group of people or things. So what as a determiner is used when we are asking a general question, whose is used to ask a question about position. Like for example, you can see, which restaurant did you like best? What time will you come? Whose pencil is this? Thank you children for listening to me. That's all. Thank you. Thank you all of you.